Type in transformation into the Mad Reaper Part 1. Here, I had to change typing up. It looked too basic to me and didn't really fit a part of what I basically have going on this channel. So, let's change it up. Make him into something a little different. And I like that. Let's go straight matte black. Now, new on-road wheels and tires. So I picked these up from AliExpress again. Flats, run flats. They're gonna be Typhon's new on-road wheels. And I'm basically right here putting glue on them to make sure they hold strong and make sure they don't come loose. But as far as cushion or anything on the inside, we don't have that. We don't have no sponge. We're just running flats on rims. It is what it is. So let's see how we do. We're using the hook and loop system to hold the tires in place, just like we did on Aura earlier in this season. That's gonna give us our good seal and our good thing. I'll link the video in the description of where I originally found this, if I can find it. It's been a while. And then I did it on the backside as well because I don't want it to run out or come loose off of the edge, even if it's a run flat. So at this point, they're all dry, glued up very nice and well. Job done. We don't have to do too much to the wheels. Matte black, just like we want on some gothic stuff. Batman-ish. Whatever you want to say. Right here, you'll notice on the edge of the tires, you can see these little bubbles. I forgot to let the glue dry out of the way. Meant to know. Let the glue dry out of the way. They typed in with his new shoes and pop those on. See, that's a good fit. Everything looks good. Clearance, turn radius, everything looks great. Keep popping them on. Tried to take a mental note of which way the tires are going. Hard to tell. I'll figure it out in next season. Right now, we're just getting the basic model going. Where we want to go. Boom. The Mad Reaper. Here I wanted to take him out, try to get the first run. Got him on 4S. Turns it on. ESC is frying right now. I didn't even notice. So the Spectrum ESC could not take that 4S and just decided to sizzle up right in front of me. Even supposed to be a 3 and 4S. The ESC didn't like 4S at all. Now, the ESC is dead. We have no power, no steering, no nothing.
Maybe next time. Didn't work. I don't know, something just didn't work. I'm ready when you are.
Welcome to the family. Typhon transformation into the Mad Reaper Part 2.